Hey, this JD and FIA. So we take a regular 4-6-5. All right. I'm in the key of G flat. All right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So 6, 5, 4. 4, 6, 5. All right. Take that progression. Add a 3, 3, 4. So I got 3, 4, 6, 5. 6, 5, 3, 4. All right. I play the chord slow so you can see the chords. All right. So take that. A lot of times we want to know, what is this in between stuff doing that I'm doing? Because you can just play the chords and it may not sound the same. So it's little nuances that you do to kind of feel just kind of playing around that. So I'm going to show you a simple one that you can do. All right, so we got 4, 6, 5. Going to show you that. All right, so you're coming off the 4. All right, I got a B major chord, B in the left hand, right hand, B flat or A sharp, D flat, E flat, G flat. Really, I'm just coming kind of like that. 6, I'm playing E flat, left hand, right hand, I'm coming E flat, F, G flat. And then when I hit the G flat, I'm playing the G flat major chord on my right hand. So E flat, and then right hand, B flat, D flat, G flat. Hit the A flat, and then hit the 5 chord, D flat. D flat, really just D flat, E flat, and F. Hit the A flat, and then that little move there. So this is not a chord video, just really want to just give this to you real quick. And I got D flat on my left hand, so. All right, then I'm gonna play my 3 chord. I could play it like this if I want to. B flat and the F on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing A flat, D flat, G flat. That's gonna take me to my 4 chord, that B chord. All right. Alright, so now that you got the foundation, alright, so the progression I'm going to show you. Right there. So, alright, so I'm playing the 4, then a 6, 5. As soon as I play that 5, as soon as I play the 5, go to it. So, da 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 da. Alright, so the melody. All right, that's the melody. So the chord, so I'm playing G flat, A flat, and D flat. And then I'm hitting the B by itself. All right. Then I'm playing a G flat major inverted. So I got D flat, G flat, B flat. Hit the A flat by itself. And then I'm gonna play a G flat major chord inverted again. B flat, D flat, G flat. All right, and then I'm gonna play a D flat major, A flat, D flat, and F. And then that's gonna take me back to that 2 chord. So G flat, A flat, D flat. Hit the B by itself, or you can play the B chord if you want to, but I play it by itself. That's the right hand. Once you put the left hand in it, all right, so when you play that G flat on your right hand, the G flat chord, the B flat, D flat, and G flat, that's when you're gonna play the 3, the B flat on your left hand. Then you have the D flat major to the B major. So I do it slow. 4, 6, 5. All right, do it one more time slow. Go to the 2. All right, if you want to go to the 2, A flat in your left hand, right hand G flat. Come off the B flat to play the B, and the G flat up top. All right. So yeah, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.